Hello friends, let us solve another problem on ultimate bearing capacity. First read the question. Determine the ultimate bearing capacity of a continuous footing. Okay, I think we have seen as of now so many problems. Okay, width is given, that means D is equal to 3 meter. Placed at a depth of 2 meter, that means they have given the depth of the foundation. How much? 2 meter. Okay, no problem. The soil at the site has, okay, weight density is given how much? 20 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, cohesion is also given how much? 50 kilonewton per meter square. And angular friction is also given 20. So for phi equal to 20, if you see here, they have given two different sets, isn't it? NC, NQ, and gamma. And also they have given NC dash, NQ dash, and gamma dash. Which parameters we have to use here? So as of now, depending upon our sign convention, what can we say? NC, NQ, and gamma. Those are representing the failure of the soil by general shear failure. If it is NC dash, NQ dash, and N gamma dash, that means the soil is failed by using local shear failure. See the problem. Is there anywhere mentioned about the soil is failing by which condition? Whether it is failing by general shear failure or whether it is failing by local shear failure? Are they mention anything? No. But then how do we have to decide? So, in while discussing about the types of failures, we have discussed for which type of parameter, which type of failure may occur. So, there we have talked about the phi value. If your phi value is less than 28 degrees, then we have seen it there that your soil is failed by local shear failure. If your phi value is greater than 36 degrees, then it may fail by using general shear value. What about in between? In between, we cannot say exactly. Either it can happen GSF or local shear failure can also happen. So, as they have given two sets of values, then the doubt should arrive whether we have to say general shear or local shear. For that, you have to compare the value 5. As 5 value is given as how much? 20 degrees. That means it is less than the 28 degrees. Then, soil will fail by which type of failure? Local shear failure. If your soil is failing by local shear failures, then we have to consider NC dash, NQ dash, and also N gamma dash. What is the type of the footing is given? Continuous. That means no need to consider the shape factors. So what is the equation for ultimate bearing capacity? C. Here it will be NC dash. And what about the value here? CM, modified value. CM into NC dash plus gamma T into NQ dash plus off into D into gamma into N gamma dash. So what about the CM value? CM value is nothing but a 2/3 of the C. So what is the C value given in the question? C value given in the question, I think it is 50. So if you solve this, you will get modified cohesion as how much? If you solve this, how much you will get? 33.3 around 33.3 kilonewton per meter square. Substitute that value here. QU, that will be equal to 33.3 into what is the modified NC dash value? 12 plus what is the weight density? 20, and depth of the foundation is given as 2 meter, and modified NQ dash 4 plus half into what is the width of the footing given? 3. Again, what is the gamma value? 20, and what is the N gamma dash value? 2. Now, if you find out, then you will get your answer as, you will get around 619.6 kilonewton per meter square. If you know this ultimate bearing capacity, from past videos we can say we can find out ultimate bearing capacity, net safe bearing capacity, safe bearing capacity. But only if you know the factor of safety. In the question, did they mention anything about the factor of safety? No. Okay. So if there are set of values are given, then depending upon the parameters, first we have to decide whether the soil may fail by local shear failure or it may fail by the general shear failure. Depending on that only we have to proceed. Okay. So before taking the parameters, please concentrate on the given question, what they are asking us to find, instead of directly taking the parameters. Okay. Thank you.